Okay, good morning. My name is Eisenstein and I'm from Liad Wing and Control System. It's my honor to be here in this conference. Actually, it's the third year that I'm here, and I'm happy to be here again.
Dobré ráno, moje jméno je Uri Eisenstein, jsem vlastně z firmy Liad z Izraele a třetím rokem jsem tady úplně na konferenci.
Liad is a company that producing gravimetric system for the plastic industry, for master batch and for virgin materials.
Liad je společnost, která vyrábí gravimetrické dávkování barviva, jak barviva, tak vlastně virgin klasického materiálu.
Today I'm going to talk about mixing technique of virgin materials.
Dnes budu mluvit o míchání přírodního materiálu.
I'm going to talk about three different products that we have. The first product, the name is batch safe, which is a gravimetric batch blender.
Budu mluvit o třech různých typech dávkování materiálu. První z nich je batch safe.
Gravimetric batch blender, I believe that you're familiar with this product, but in brief, it is a system that can mix several components together.
Je to vlastně systém, který dokáže několik komponentů smíchat v jednom.
And the principle is that we have several materials that we are weighing in a weighing hopper one by one, and then it's going to the mixer and from the mixer to the machine.
Je to princip vlastně založený, že jsou tam několik násypů, v každé násypce je jiný materiál daný, je tam zabudovaná, v každé násypce je zabudovaná váha a automaticky dochází k odvažování toho materiálu a potom to propadává do míchací zóny.
So we have several components. One by one is going to the weighing hopper. The weighing hopper is on a load cell. When the weighing process is finished, it's going to the mixer and then to the processing machine.
Vlastně pokud je všechno navážené, sesype se to, zamixuje se materiál a už promíchaný materiál vlastně vstupuje přímo do lisu nebo do zařízení.
For batch blender, we have two options to mount it. First option is directly on the machine, and second option is on the floor.
Pro batch blender, vlastně pro to zařízení, je možné dvojí typ uchycení přímo na střikolis, na násypku nebo na hrdlo střikovací jednotky, anebo samostatně stojící na zemi.
Directly on the machine is usually for small machines. If it's a big machine, it's on the floor. And also, if we want to prepare batches for several machines, then we mount it on the floor, and from the buffer, from on the bottom, we can load the material to several machines.
Uchycení na lis se provádí zejména pro menší střikolisy. Pro větší střikolisy je zařízení posazené na zemi, kde vlastně to může být i se zásobníkem pro více mašin, pro více lisů.
So here's how it is directly on the injection molding machine.
Tady vidíme uchycení na střikolisu.
And here's an example on a floor mount feeding two injection molding machines.
Tady je vlastně vizualizace na zemi s možností nasávání pro více střikolisů.
Or it can feed more machines.
A nebo to může plnit více lisů.
So here's an example of several gravimetric batch blenders directly on the machines.
Tady je vlastně ukázka přímo na lise, jak to vypadá.
So this is about the batch blender. Now I'm going to talk about different system. The name is pellet safe.
Teď budu mluvit o jiném systému, takzvaném pellet safe.
Pellet safe is actually a big version of batch blender, but it can feed many machines at the same time. It has 12 raw materials and it can prepare recipe to 50 different injection molding machines.
Je to vlastně, tohle je větší zařízení oproti batch blenderu a vlastně tady je možnost nasypat 12 základních materiálů, které vlastně postupně propadávají až do 50 násypek, tudíž můžete vlastně nezávisle dávkovat do 50 střikolisů.
So we are going to see a movie now that will explain very clear about this system.
Teďka vám pustím video, kde je to krásně popsané. A tohle video určitě nepotřebuje žádný komentář.
Liad, weighing and control systems. Pellet Save is a centralized gravimetric blending and feeding system designed to be used with multiple raw materials and processing machines, providing a complete factory-wide solution. Instead of the time-consuming and inherently inaccurate method of manually preparing batches, instead of countless, costly batch blenders spread throughout the factory requiring constant attention, Liad is pleased to announce the ultimate solution, Pellet Save. Pellet Save is a completely modular system specifically engineered and tailored to meet a customer's needs. The Pellet Save system consists of intermediate raw material hoppers, a weighing hopper, a mixer, a dispenser, and buffer bins for the mixed material. By means of a centralized mechanical feed system combined with innovative control software, the Pellet Save system is able to weigh out and prepare the precise mixture required and transport it to each of a factory's production machines according to each machine's job order. At the top of the Pellet Save system sit the raw material hoppers, one hopper for each type of material. There can be up to 12 of these hoppers holding 12 different raw materials. The Liad vacuum system automatically fills the hoppers directly from raw material silos. The vacuum system is comprised of powerful vacuum pumps, a central filter, valves, and pipes, all administered by Liad's sophisticated control system. At the base of the Pellet Save system are the buffer bins. Anywhere from 8 up to 50 dedicated buffer bins hold the batches of mixed material, one bin for each of a potential 50 production machines. When the level of raw material in the buffer falls below the sensor, Pellet Save begins preparing an additional batch of material for that buffer's designated machine according to that machine's specific recipe. Each ingredient is discharged in turn from its intermediate hopper. The ingredients are discharged into the weighing hopper, which is equipped with 3 hanging load cells. Pellet Save's controller predetermines the recipe ingredient combination for each of the factory's production machines. The relative quantity of each component is derived from this predefined recipe. After each component has been weighed and the batch is ready for mixing, it is deposited by the weighing hopper into a powerful mixer where it is transformed into a homogeneous batch. At the same time, the dispenser, which can turn 360 degrees, settles over the appropriate production machine's buffer bin. When mixing is complete, the batch is conveyed by the dispenser to the machine's buffer bin. The buffer now contains a ready batch. Under the direction of the Liad controller, a centralized vacuum system conveys the prepared batch to the appropriate machine. The recipe is now completed by the Liad Color Save dosing unit, which adds the precise quantity of master batch or additive required by the recipe. Transport of the raw materials from the storage silos through the Pellet Save system is entirely automatic with no need for human intervention. Pellet Save includes a sophisticated software package that enables comprehensive control of raw material consumption and formulation for an entire plant. The software enables complete control over the operation of Pellet Save. Pellet Save easily interfaces with the production floor management system, allowing the management system to communicate with and to control the Pellet Save system, including the centralized material transport system and the Color Save dosing units. If no management system is in place, then the Liad View monitoring software can control Pellet Save, manage recipes, and monitor material consumption by means of a standard PC. Pellet Save significantly reduces installation costs compared with similar dosing systems, allows for the use of up to 12 raw materials per formula, and can feed up to 50 injection molding, extrusion, or blow molding machines concurrently, provides a single comprehensive solution for all types of production machines, large and small. affords greater accuracy and superior batch homogeneity, has sophisticated software controlling the formulation, blending, and mixture assignments, eliminates the need for manual intervention when changing jobs and mixtures, provides easy and reliable central data collection that enables the tracking of all materials for each job, has a simple, robust mechanical structure with few moving parts compared to conventional systems. For more information, visit our website at www.liad.co.il.
Okay, so I think this movie explains how this system works, straightforward, but it is like a batch blender, but for complete factory. So instead of, if you have, for example, 50 machines, you don't need to buy 50 gravimetric batch blender, you can use only one central system.
Takže vlastně to doufám, že video bylo zajímavé, vysvětlující vše a vlastně nahrazuje to batch blend systém, je to ve větším měřítku, opravdu dokáže to obsáhnout až 53 kolisů.
So here's some photos of pellet safe systems. This is a photo from China in a factory that we have actually two pellet safe systems for 100 injection molding machine. Each pellet safe system is for 50 injection molding machine. You can see one on the right and one on the left.
Zde teďka ukážu pár příkladů, pár realizací, kde jsme realizovali. Tady je to v Číně, jsou tam dva pellet safe systémy. Je to pro 100 stříkolisů.
Here's a pellet safe system that we have not so far away from here in Hungary.
Tady je pellet systém v Maďarsku.
For a factory that produces pipes.
Je to pro společnost, která vyrábí trubky.
Another system that we have in UK, pellet safe.
Toto je systém vlastně v UK, v Anglii.
And here's a comparison between pellet safe and batch safe. If we want to buy 50 injection molding machine, so the price of the pellet safe comparing to 50 gravimetric batch blenders is much lower.
Tady je vlastně porovnání výhod, nevýhod pellet saveu a batch saveu. Pokud si koupíme 50 stříkolisů, tak pellet safe, tam je pořizovací cena nižší, než kdybychom si měli pořizovat 50 batch saveů.
The floor space of one pellet safe is very small comparing to 50 batch blenders that need to be on the floor in the factory.
Z hlediska zástavbových rozměrů 16 metrů čtverečních je pro pellet safe, pro batch safe každá jednotka vlastně potřebuje svůj prostor.
The data collection from pellet safe is very easy because we need to collect data only from one system. If we have a lot of gravimetric batch blender, then we need to collect information for many systems. Sometimes it's from different brands, so it becomes very complicated. So with pellet safe, it's very easy to collect the information for one system.
Co se týče sběru dat, tak pellet safe je podstatně jednodušší, protože je tam jeden řídící systém, kdežto z batch safeu, kdybychom měli těch 53 kolisů, tak vlastně z 50 jednotek musíme brát jednotlivé data.
Recipe, we can have different recipe for each machine if we use pellet safe, and if we use a batch blender on the floor that serves many machines, then we cannot have different recipe for the batch blender.
Co se týče receptur, tak pellet safe je tam možné 50 různých receptur pro každou mašinu, batch safe jedna receptura vlastně pro stříkolis. Je to dáno vlastně na lise, je tam jedna receptura.
On the other hand, if we're talking about contamination risk, with pellet safe, because we have one hopper and one mixer, there is a risk of contamination, and in a batch blender we don't have. So if this is an issue, then we need to consider about it.
Co se týče z hlediska kontaminace materiálu, tak pellet safe, vzhledem k tomu, že tam je jedna násypka pro ten materiál, tam může dojít i jedno mísící zařízení, takže tam může dojít ke kontaminaci a potom vlastně je kontaminováno všech 50 jednotek Kdežto u toho batch saveu tam ke kontaminaci de facto nedochází. Pokud dojde, tak se vypustí vlastně jenom ta násypka, která je daná na jednom cyklisu.
Okay. The last system that I'm going to talk about is blend save. Blend save is like pellet save, it is a central system, but it is different because it has many weighing hopper, a weighing hopper for each material, and the mixer is not centralized mixer, the mixing is on the machines.
Toto je vlastně další verze, nebo je to jiný systém blend save oproti předchozímu, kde vlastně každá násypka má vlastní vážící zařízení, ale chybí tady vlastně míchací zařízení. To míchací zařízení je umístěno přímo na stroji.
BlendSave is a highly accurate master batch blending system, capable of generating the precise mixture required for creating any specific color. Many plastics manufacturers encounter difficulties when manufacturing products in various different colors, as each shade entails management, inventory, and logistics costs. Master batch producers face similar problems when new colors are requested by customers, with each color sample also involving management, inventory, and logistics costs. BlendSave enables production of a blend of master batch granules that is performed precisely according to specific requirements. The mixture is created from a blend of primary colors to produce any new color according to its precise recipe. The BlendSave created mixture can then be used to manufacture the end product in the exact color required. BlendSave has up to 14 different color channels, so that the system can be used for several different materials. The mixture is prepared in the BlendSave by having the various color quantities entered into the system, either through the touchscreen or via an external database interface. To maximize process efficiency, the channels operate in tandem to prepare the blend. BlendSave is accurate to a point of one single master batch granule. At the end of the process, the blended mixture is discharged into the machine's bottom hopper. Master batch and large plastic manufacturers can feed the master batch granule mixture directly into the extruder in order to produce a new master batch in the desired shape. Liad, Weighing and Control Systems Ltd.
So this movie is about master batch, but actually BlendSave can be used also for virgin material. We can mix virgin material like in the pellet save system, and it can prepare batches of virgin material, not only of master batch.
Vlastně tento film ukazoval míchání barev, ale lze tady tento systém použít rovněž pro míchání virgin materiál, vlastně čistých materiálů, abyste si vytvořili vlastní dávku, vlastní recepturu.
But it can also be used for preparing new colors like in the movie, but it's not this presentation. So in BlendSave, I repeat, there is a weighing hopper for each raw material, so it's a separate, there is no contamination risk, and the mixing is not centralized, it's on the processing machine.
Jak jsem už zdůrazňoval, tak opravdu je tady 14 násypek, každá z násypek má vlastní vážící zařízení, tudíž nemůže zde docházet ke kontaminaci cizím materiálem a míchání vlastně probíhá až na daném zařízení.
So here's a diagram of the system that can work automatically. So we have the blend safe receiving raw materials, and with automatic manifold, it can by vacuum send the blend to each processing machine.
Tady je vlastně diagram, na kterém vidíme, jak ten systém pracuje. Jsou tam nasypané různé barviva, vstupuje to do vážících zařízení a potom pomocí vákua je to rozváděno na jednotlivé zařízení, na jednotlivé stroje.
Blend safe has 14 channels, but we can have several blend safe systems together interconnected with the same controller. Then in this case, for example, we have 3 14-channel systems, so it's like we have one system with 42 channels.
Vlastně je to systém, který se dá kombinovat, v základu je 14 násypek, lze to kombinovat vlastně 14, 28 a více a všechno se ovládá skrze jeden ovládací systém.
Here are some photos of 2 blend safe systems that we have in a factory in Germany.
Zde je příklad, zde je fotka z blend safeu, kde mají 2 jednotky a je to umístěné v Německu.
Here is the automatic manifold that transforms the material from the blend safe to the processing machines.
Tady lze vidět rozvody trubek, které přímo dávkují materiál namíchaný přímo do zpracovávatelského stroje.
And we have a mixer on each processing machine that mixes the blend.
Tady vidíme, na každém tom zpracovatelském zařízení je umístěný mixer, který mixuje danou směs.
Here's another example of blend safe system in Japan. In this case, the blend is manually conveyed to the processing machine.
Tady vlastně vidíme systém v Japonsku a ručně se vlastně doplňuje, se to dává na stroj.
So if we compare the central blending system blend safe and pellet safe, we can see that the contamination risk is not exist in the blend safe and it exists in the pellet safe.
Tady vidíme porovnání vlastně blend safeu a pellet safeu. Z hlediska kontaminace blend safe je, jak bylo řečeno, každá násypka má vlastní vážící zařízení, tudíž nedochází ke kontaminaci materiálu, kdežto u pellet safeu tam může dojít.
Both systems have low floor space and easy data collection.
Oba dva systémy jsou prostorově úsporné a jednoduché na sběr dat.
The weighing in the blend safe is parallel and in pellet safe it's sequence.
Z hlediska vážení u blend safeu to probíhá paralelně, kdežto u pellet safeu je to po sekvencích.
And the mixing is centralized in the pellet safe and on each machine in the blend safe.
Z hlediska mixování té dávky u blend safeu míchání probíhá na každém zařízení, kdežto u pellet safeu je to centralizované.
So I covered in this presentation batch safe, a gravimetric batch blender, pellet safe, a centralized batch blender, and blend safe, another type of centralized batch blender. I hope it was clear. I hope you enjoyed.
So, doufám, že vše bylo jasné. Děkuji vám za prezentaci a pan Uri Eisenstein ještě chvíli bude tady v předsálí. Takže máme tady pár otázek. We have few questions.
For which system?
For both systems, because it depends on the size of the vacuum pump.
Yes, so if we are talking about blend safe, then the mixing is directly on the machine. So no matter if there is a separation on the vacuum, the mixing makes sure that it will be homogeneous. If you're talking about pellet safe, we usually use the same types of raw material, for example, same type of polyethylene. If it is the same type of material, usually there is no separation during the vacuum system, because the separation is usually happen when we have different material with different bulk density or different weight. But if all the materials are types of polyethylene or types of polypropylene, the separation is minimum.
Co se týče vlastně dávkování nebo mixování přímo na střikolisu, nedochází k oddělování barviva a toho nosiče, kdežto třeba u dalších systémů musí být použitý materiály o stejné měrné hustotě. Potom nedochází vlastně k rozdělení té dávky. So we have here another questions. What is the accuracy of the weighing system directly placed on the machine? There are some interference between vibration of the machine and the feedback from the weighing control.
For which system?
For if
it will be on the machine.
The batch blender, yeah, the batch save. The accuracy is 0.1% of the batch size.
Přesnost dávkování je 0, nebo přesnost vážení je 0,1 na dávku.
Vibrace tam nevadí, pokud je na někdo zájem, tak myslím si, že najdu video, kde prostě to testují, včetně vibrací, takže to by neměl být problém.
A v předsálí máme umístěnou vlastně mikro dávkování barviva, takže tam můžeme přímo ukázat, demonstrovat, jak to funguje.
To si fakt nejde.
So, thank you.
Thank you.